A walk in the woods is connecting with the music of nature, which everywhere exceeds the angle 137.5, which to be 150 borrows 12.5, a value that matches the circle divided by pi to the power of 7. From a minimal Pythagorean construction, an irreducible residue emerges. Delta represents the discrepancy. It ends the two legs, 0.5 and 1, or 1 and 2, 2 and 4, etc., of the sequence of the octaves, 2 to the n, that originate all intervals and music. This 360-degree circle, divided by pi to the 1, to the 2, to the 3, etc., gathers towards a perpendicularity. A perpendicularity that joins phi with this base right-angled triangle, with both of its legs pointing at 137 plus 12.5 degrees. Adding an angle that, when subtracted from 222.5, creates the first void of a fourth, which invokes the fifth. Another void is created by its difference, which is 85 degrees. The 1, 2 square root of 5 triangle generates the major third 5/4 and the sixth 5/3 close to phi. Geometry made music. That triangle rotates every 30 degrees, producing all possible intervals or voids that are harmonically linked thanks to rhythm. Orbitals are probability grids. Those 85 degrees minus 12.5 times 2 call for a 60-degree tone. A caress on the buttock triggers the cascade of voids between phi and the binary, with the two y's, the masculine and its relative perpendicular, the feminine, being the most harmonic parts. A harmony that fruits and sunflowers remind us of when walking in the woods. It activates the F void 150 born from phi to the 2 and ends 10 cycles later at phi to the 12 with 1.118. Experimentally recognized as the magic angle that generates superconductivity and mo rare in graphene. Moire that forms wave interference patterns between the eyebrows, which furrow the brow and descend to the skin as layers, furrows. The numbers that convert 30 degrees into a musical interval are usually from the Fibonacci sequence, and the green ellipse divides that offset by the ratio to 360 over pi of that row, and the result returns to the Fibonacci sequence in an almost fractal-like way. These 10 layers through which energy is ordered is the topic of the next video. The hypotenuse of the minimum angle multiplied by pi to the 10, the 10 steps, returns and recreates the 137.5 angle. Perfection.